Will visit Randwater today. He wants to see if Randwater has capacity to help with water distribution through water tanks, as promised by Human Settlements Minister Lindiwe Sisulu. SABC political editor Mzwandile Mbeje is there this morning. Mzwandile, thank you so much once again. The President this morning visiting the Human Settlements Water and Sanitation COVID-19 Command Center. Tell us more about that.
Well, thank you very much, Desiree. Indeed, in a few minutes from now, the President of the Republic will come to this place. This is Randwater. These are the head offices of Randwater, which is basically being used as the command center. This is where they are coordinating all their efforts in fighting this COVID-19, particularly, Desiree, when it relates to the issues of water. Remember, the Minister of Human Settlements, Lindiwe Sisulu, announced that they will be rolling out a number, thousands and thousands of tanks across the country. But of course, the President needs to be able to know and to be able to follow if all that has been agreed will be done. I mean, we understand that towards this project alone, about R1 billion will be spent. So to make sure that you ramp up this kind of services. You know very well that one of the issues really around this coronavirus is that there needs to be issues of hygiene, issues of social distancing, and of course all those must affect everyone. So in areas like your informal settlements, your rural areas, people don't have that kind of luxury of water. So that is why government then is stepping in to make sure that each and every South African has access to these basic necessities, because it will be pointless to preach cleanliness whilst people don't have access to those kind of facilities. So that's why you'd see later on today President come here to really see if all that is being coordinated will be working. Desiree.
What time are we expecting the President to arrive, Mzwandile?
Well, in terms of the scheduled time, it's supposed to be, it's supposed to have been about 5 minutes ago. It was supposed to be 11 o'clock. If I look around, I can see that obviously the officials, the personnel that look after the President are already here. So clearly you can see that even if he is not here himself, the team that is looking after him is already here. So we expect that perhaps in the next few minutes, so he will be here. And of course, really, South Africans would really want to hear from him. I think it's been a couple of days since they've heard from him. There's been this talk that as much as the majority of South Africans are complying with the lockdown that he announced over a week ago, but there are some people who are still not sticking to those. And you know, Desiree, that when he first announced this lockdown, the numbers were at 62, and then now we are standing at 1,686, which is a huge jump. So, and then the question in everybody's minds now is, well, the 21 days is about to end, I think on the 16th. So will those measures be still in place, or will they be extended? And of course, those are some of the things really that we'll look forward, if the opportunity arises, would be able to pose those questions. Or of course, as he's been doing in the past, every week he's been giving a national address. Perhaps he will then give an assessment to the nation in that national address, like he's been doing the past few weeks.
Mzwandile Mbeje will reconnect with you as soon as the President is there live. Mzwandile Mbeje is the political editor here at the